Hello, how motivated are you to get rid of your clutter? Do you really want your house to be cluttered? Do you really enjoy having multiples of things, not being able to find even one of them? Being frustrated in the morning because you're in a hurry and something is missing? Finding things that you thought were good that are decayed away from being stuck away for so long? Discovering that you've been hiding something beautiful in your cabinet that could have been out on display? How motivated are you to declutter? Decluttering is going to be a simple thing that you do one step a day, 4 days a week, 15 minutes, going through a little square of space, a little banker's box size. 15 minutes, throw away, put away, give away. It's going to change your life and it's going to undo all those things I just said. Make it a great day.